Hello everyone, this is Sol from Everything Caprice PPV, and today we're in my garage to do some work on the Caprice. Today specifically, we're going to be removing the current steering wheel on the car and replacing it. So this is the new wheel we're going to install, but what I want to show you is right here and right here are these two metal holders. I don't know how to describe them. And what we're going to do is we're going to come from the back with a screwdriver, and there's two holes on the back of the steering wheel. Let me see if I can demonstrate this pretty well for you. But we're going to use this screwdriver through the back of the wheel, and we're going to just pull it outwards on this holder, which is going to release the center airbag. You'll need to turn the car on, and the reason is because you need to turn the wheel to this angle to access the first hole in the back of the wheel right here. Once you release the first side, you'll have to go ahead and start the car and turn the wheel to the other side and do the same on the next. Once you hit both sides, this will pop off and you now need to go disconnect the battery on the car. To remove the airbag, you have these two airbag connectors, and what you do is you just pop these orange tabs out by finger or by a flathead screwdriver, and then they pull out. Here, I need both hands to do it. So they just pop out like that, and then you can pull them off. And then there's one little negative grounding wire right here that you just pull off, and that's your airbag. And now what you're left with is this whole module right here, which is your steering wheel controls connected up to here, and then a T50. So you need to disconnect this right here. Once disconnected, all this will pull up, revealing the T50 screw. Then you'll just need to go ahead and remove the steering wheel using that T50 into the hole. And it will be tight. Now that the steering wheel is off, you can go ahead and transfer the components or put on the new steering wheel in reverse order. Once your wheel's swapped over, go ahead and feed this through, and then the wheel will actually lock in because the tabs are different. I will show you that here in a second. And then start threading this by hand. Once it gets hand tightened, then go ahead and use your wrench to tighten it down further. Once that's very well secured, go ahead and plug in your radio controls first. The radio controls, once tabbed in, will just leave you with 3 tabs, which are for the airbag, which will go ahead and reverse that. You'll have to slide the grounding wire in and then go ahead and tab these back into their respective color, and then go ahead and put the tabs down to safety them in. Once that's all done, you'll go ahead and line up your airbag properly. Once it's all lined up, just go ahead and clip it back in. Once it's clipped in, you're good to go. You can go ahead and reactivate the battery on the car and test everything out.